In this video we will create a flip card with Creator Plus. Flip cards are an excellent choice for displaying a collection of items that don't necessarily have a strict structure in their relationship to one another. Think of flip cards like items that belong in the same group that can be laid out at random without impacting meaning. Let's build a flip card. Access your module, select the New drop-down and create a file. Name the page and click the icon and insert element. Select flip card. Click on the question mark icon to read information by D2L. You can change the instructions as well. Let's build my first flip card. When you are ready, just click Insert, or Back to continue with other flip cards. Click Save and Close to add the page. And see, that was pretty easy to add a flip card with Creator Plus. Thanks for watching.